Hi, I'm Tim Tomadio. Welcome to Very Fresh Cafe. We have a great restaurant here that's open for breakfast and lunch and soon for dinner. And we also do catering, and we have a back room, a party room.
My name is Chassie, and these are some of our world famous blueberry fritters. They are shaken with cinnamon and sugar. We shake them all up to shake up their goodness. We pour them onto the plate. Dip them into some of the strawberry yogurt for a refreshing treat.
It's a very convenient place for breakfast.
Very Fresh is a great place to come for breakfast or lunch. The menus are varied, the food is fresh.
We love Very Fresh.
Come and visit. Love to have you soon.
Have a very